I hope you guys are ready for, it's very, very, very slow today so far. Nothing's really happening over here. So, market's just kind of chopping around in a range. We've got some very interesting, again, results. Again, some big winners for LTMP. As always, ladies and gentlemen, ASTS, TSM. I think there are a couple other ones in there, too. Let me look, actually. Yeah, ASTS 361%. 306% ASTS. You guys made Lockheed free. That was good. Now it's dropping, so that's good for you guys. Let's see. RGTI, 536%. There you go. Catch me if you can. Oh my god, guys. The Caterpillar trade, over 1,000% there too. And then, yeah, GameStop chopping around. Moderna's chopping around. AI looks okay. Marvel, another good one over here, ladies and gentlemen, looking pretty good for those of you guys that took that one. But team, again, you guys know the deal at this point. Prices for LTMP are going up next week. You guys can get 50% off your first month with code September. If you guys aren't in there yet, I don't know what you're doing. You're actively choosing to not be making money in this market here. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's do our little bit of a roll call here and then kind of get into everything. So, ladies and gentlemen, it is that time of day again. Say good morning to somebody in the live chat. If you guys would like to say good morning to me, would love to receive some good mornings over here. If you guys are new to the group, new to the stream, let me know. I'd love to welcome you guys in here. Again, I'm live every single day for you guys here at 10:30 a.m. Eastern time. I'm live privately for LTMP every day at 9:15. And then Friday's public live day over there. So you guys get the full stream on Friday. But ladies and gentlemen, we also have a 200 like goal on the stream. So, as you guys are filtering in, make sure you guys are hitting that like button. Costs you nothing to do. It helps me out a whole lot. We have a 200 like goal on the stream. I don't want to see any slackers. Again, I'm the only person that you guys know on social media that is demonetized on YouTube for talking about how many over 10x trades that they call out to their group. There is nobody doing what we are doing in the market here. Find one. There isn't one. So, it's now 20 10x trades in the last 2 months that you guys on the sidelines have missed. I don't know what you're doing. You're actively choosing to not be making money in this market here. So, let's see what we got in here, ladies and gentlemen. Let's do a little bit of a roll call. We have Cole, Eddie, Dawn, Romeo, Gerald, Gabby, Michael, Daily, Taylor, Daniel, Bardistas. We've got Alex, Gene, John, Diego, Caesar, Miguel, sorry, Ryan, Junior, William, Dawn, we got GC, Caesar, Scott. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. So, yeah, market's not doing anything. It has been flat ever since basically futures opened last night. We are not really seeing a whole lot of action across the board. That's kind of why you're seeing things kind of move, start to give some things back. And overall, things are relatively flat today. We do have some Fed speakers this week. And we also have PCE on Friday that we have to be aware of. But this is probably going to be one of those days where we're not very active in the market. Again, guys, that less trades, more profits methodology is always going to benefit you more than all this other nonsense that you see out there. But let's see. See, Rich, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Again, guys, keep smacking that like on the way in. Costs you nothing to do it. Helps me out a whole lot spreading these streams out so I can finally get through to some of you guys. I quite honestly, I said this in the private stream. I did not realize the extent and the magnitude of stupidity that was still out there in the market. Like, if you think about it like this, and this is kind of why I made that TikTok yesterday, where it was like, no matter what people say, their actions dictate across the board that in general, in large groups, they don't actually want to be making money. And here's what I mean by that. I show you guys, like, every single day, every single week, how to generate some of the most ridiculous returns in the market, whether it be from long-term investing, whether it be all the short-term trades that I give you guys, and they do very well. But then I tweet one thing about GME, MOAS happening, GME to the moon, and there's a 25,000 view tweet with almost 700 likes on it. I didn't realize that people were out there still being that dumb in the market. I quite honestly didn't. GME, guys, just has a decent chart set up. It's a decent trade. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't. It doesn't matter. And remember, the outcome of one individual trade, especially to us in LTMP, is completely meaningless when every single one that I outline has the potential to run multi-hundreds, if not multi-thousands of percent. So if it fails, which, again, it's not going to do what what every single person that was looking at that tweet thinks it's going to do, it doesn't. Even if the cat starts tweeting and it rips, we'll make our money, we'll get in, we'll get out, and we'll be done, and we'll move on to the next setup. That's all it is at the end of the day. ASTS nonstop, yeah, that was an absolutely epic one. We can take a look at this over here. ASTS, Just an absolutely epic move, guys. This easily has the potential, if it's not already, to be the 21st 10x trade that I've given out into to LTMP, really at this point in like the last 2.5 months. This is an absolutely awesome move. Shout out to you guys that that grabbed this one. This is unbelievable. You're in Lockheed at 481. Why are you in Lockheed at 481 when the breakout level was 478? So I'm probably about to. I said day low. I'll cut it. If Lockheed hits day low, I'll cut it for a gain. It'll probably be up 25-30%. Just take the money and run at that point. But we'll see. Maybe it runs back up. Who knows? But that's another thing, guys, and this is something that I talk about a lot, is like never chase anything. If you see an alert, let's say the alert, especially at Lockheed, was 478 and the stock's trading at 481, you don't buy it. You just wait for the next one. You know? The GME runner. Yeah, I know a lot of you guys were able to make GME free yesterday. Nice. Yeah. I mean, again, I'll throw the link to LTMP in here for you guys too. Again, you're never going to see anything like this ever again. Nobody else ever in like the history of the trading space has been able to give out the magnitude of the gains that I've been able to give out to all of you guys as consistently as I have. Again, that's why we're in the position that we're in. Let's see. Marvel looking good. That's a good one off of that break. AMD. I actually was looking at this. It's hooking a little. It's looking interesting. I actually would be interested in potentially looking at AMD a little bit closer over the next couple of trading days. Just below day low. Yeah, I mean, I could just keep holding this if I really wanted to. It's just like, do I, after it's going to show that it wants to go up and the sellers are going to whack this thing back down there? Probably not. But who knows? It could still start running up throughout the day. We don't know. We don't know. Let's see. We have Micron earnings after hours today, so be very, 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 very careful if you did anything with Marvel. Let's see. Newsmax? Let me look. Yeah, this one looked like it wanted to break to the upside, but it didn't. Yeah, Newsmax peeking there a little. That's interesting. I think, when did I give you guys Newsmax here? Was it 12.28? This ride up here to like 16, right? Something like that? 15, something like that. Or no, it was 16 was the level that it couldn't get to. So, Marvel looks good. How much capital do you need to start? Not a lot. I mean, think about it like this. If you could turn $100 into a couple thousand with the trades that I give out with options, I mean, not a lot. Similar sector, semiconductors. It's moving, though. It could move the semis around a bunch. So if the semi sector is going to move as a whole, Marvel can move around too. ASTS new highs. Guys, how many more of these do you guys want me to show you? Yeah, Austin starts with $100 into a trade. I mean, Austin, you've had some crazy results. Adrian says he started with 1,000, but 500 would have been enough. 5K options is the way to go. Well, yeah, you're going to want to paper trade them first to understand how they move. Or the shares trades, again, guys, are always going to have a better risk to reward profile than the option trade. Marvel pumping a little there. There we go. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, right now, yeah, there you go. You think buying a stock today is smart when Powell is speaking? It depends on what stock. I mean, guys, seriously, how many more moves are you going to miss like this? Really? Really? Holding a stock? When's Powell speaking today? Powell's talking today? Ooh, I goofed it, I think. Hold on, we might glitch a little. Yep. We're glitching. I clicked Market Watch, and Market Watch is going to screw up my computer. It'll be fine. Hold on. When's Powell speaking? Where's he talking? It could just be some prepared speech. Like, it's probably nothing. I highly doubt it's anything. Usually those, like, one-off Powell speeches are nothing. Marvel looks good there, though. Run the likes up. Thank you, Bardistas. I appreciate you, buddy. Microsoft looking, yeah. We can take a look at that. Not the greatest setup there. Not the worst, it's not the greatest. Again, guys, we're looking for perfect. The reason why I am able to hand out to LTMP 21 10x plus trades in a 2-month period is because of how picky we are with the setups that we look at. We're looking for stocks that are about to explode before they do. A lot of people right now, guys, this is the other thing too. A lot of people, and this is what I said to everybody in LTMP today. It's like everybody that's not in there, and I use some harsh language. It's like, they're fucked. They're fucked. Like, imagine how many times that a lot of people have asked me, it's like, oh, should I buy this stock that's up a bunch in like a 2-week period? No. We are selling into everybody else when they're buying it. Like, a lot of people are probably looking at ASTS today and being like, oh my God, this stock is up a lot. I should buy it. Think about what's going to happen over a period of 100 instances of what was the stock that we were looking at? Plug. So this is actually one, and see what happened. Look what happened, guys. So this is a stock that we were talking about this morning that is just catching everybody's eye. Now, the best thing about this is that David Nikoski actually sent this ticker to you guys last week in the Discord. So if you guys were paying attention and wanted to take a little shot at this, it had a decent weekly setup. You're up a lot of money, but I was seeing a lot of people starting to talk about this name here and being like, is this a good thing to buy? Well, it's up 100% in 2 weeks. What do you think is the most next likely move in a stock that is up over a period of 100 times? It moves up 100% in a 2-week period. What happens next? Well, more often than not, it's going to move down significantly. And the problem is that most people are going to just like really, really laser focus in on that one instance where it just continues. But again, the market is all about probabilities. If I know that taking a certain action in the market is going to lead to negative expected value or an account going down and losing money, well, I'm not going to take that action because we are here to make money. It's a very simple, logical leap to make. But what most people are going to do is they're going to be like, ooh, stock up, we're going to buy it. And this, I think it was trading near the highs when we were looking at this. And I was like, absolutely not. You don't want to go near that. And those are the things that you guys have to understand. Let's see. Well, Jonathan, you should not be operating in the market if you're in a homeless shelter. I hope your situation gets better, man. But like, you can't, like, you have to have the ability to take some risk, which in that situation, it doesn't seem like you do. So it's those little fixes that like every single new person to the market makes, and it's like the sooner that you can make those shifts, the sooner you're gonna start making the money that you deserve. Jonathan, we'd love to have you, man. Just make sure you got your feet under you first, and we'd love to have you in there with us. All right, Marvel looking good, AI looking okay. Lockheed, probably gonna end up cutting that one. It's up what? What are they up? 26%? Lockheed's a wild child. Why can't I? That's rude. Yeah, and that is the beautiful thing about the way that we trade too, guys. The losses on any one of these positions is so minuscule, and the winners are so big. Why do you think that everybody that joins LTMP has so much success? It's because, again, those 20-something 10x trades that I hand out, obviously, but any one of the losers, it's like, okay. That's why I'm willing to take all of these trades when they fire a lot, because there goes Lockheed below the low. See? No thanks. I locked in 25% on technically a failed trade. How do you figure out if options or shares is the way to go? It's whatever you're comfortable with. So I would paper trade options first and then trade the shares in the meantime, if you want to. Holding LMT through Powell. One, no, I just cut it because I had outlined to you guys a couple of times that I was going to cut it below the day low, and then it just did, so I just locked in about 25% on that, which is minuscule, completely meaningless to me. I don't care. But also, the fact that Powell is speaking today doesn't actually do anything because, like I said before, again, guys, pay attention or pay a premium. Powell is probably not going to say anything all that meaningful today because it's not an FOMC meeting. He's just going to be, like, maybe answering a question or two, but it's probably prepared remarks at some conference that isn't really all that important, you know? But that's the beautiful thing about LTMP, guys. It's like, that's a failed setup, still technically a green trade. Where can you paper trade options? On pretty much any broker. And there it goes back up. So maybe it starts ripping, maybe it doesn't, but I don't like drama. You know, just cut it. Take the money and run. Like, you guys just got to think about the math sometimes. It's like, okay, you've seen 21 now, I believe. 20 or 21 10x trades in the last 2 months. It's like, even if you just hit 2 of them, guys, you're wildly green on your account. You hit 10 of them, life-changing gains. Life-changing gains for all of you guys. Same logic for GME then? Well, I mean, yesterday's low would be... Or, no, I'm going to hold this. This is really size for 0. I'm going to let that go. Because it's fun. You can cut it if you want. A lot of you guys made it free yesterday, too, so you can do whatever you want with it. I just am like, oh, it's GME. It's got a great setup. We'll see what happens with it. You know? MU has earnings today. Don't touch it. Yeah, Webull is good for paper trading options. Wow. 426% on ASTS. I mean, let's pull that chart up here too, guys. This could be the next big multi-thousand percenter if this thing continues. But again, we're in down here, not chasing it where everybody else is. That's the beautiful thing. It's like we're getting these moves way earlier than everybody else. Way earlier. Let's see. Where is Netflix today? How's that looking? It's got to hold. How? Yeah, I mean, I can explain what's on LTMP. I mean, at this point, here's the thing. If you see all of these people, this is just logically, if you see all of these people every single day having just like the most amount of success that anybody's ever had in the retail trading space, I mean, it's probably something pretty good. So here's what you get when you join LTMP. The first step is you get access to both full-length educational course curriculum series, the Day Trading Mastery course and the Swing Kings course. The concepts from the Swing Kings course are 99% of what we do. So once you go through the Swing Kings course and understand the actual process and of execution of the setups and what the exact setup is, then everything else that we do becomes a lot easier to understand. So then you guys get the full watch list of stocks. In some case, if crypto's setting up, I'll send them to you, but like, it's pretty rare that it's only a couple times a year that you really get the nasty crypto setups. You get the full watch list of stocks that are about to explode before they do with the exact levels that we're looking at to long over. Then you get the pre-market plans every single day, kind of giving you guys an update on everything that we're looking for. You get the live stream links. You get the private live streams every single day. You get direct access to me to answer all of your questions. And it's like, the thing is that you're like, the reason why it works so well and works for everybody is because it's so simple, right? Yeah, Vito over here is taking a bajillion trades over here. To your point, I've had 15 red trades this week, and your account is up 32%. That's LTMP, guys. You don't need very many of these. You know? Amazon? What do you mean, what about Amazon? Amazon's nothing here. This is nothing to us. Who cares? Down 2%. Who cares? What else? You get the macro research reports, which there hasn't been a lot of recently just because there isn't much going on that I see that I'm like, oh, we got to talk about this. Single stock research reports, that's where like Philip Morris, Novo, all of those are in. It is the best place to come and learn how to operate in the market from a short-term and long-term perspective. You guys see the results every single day. The prices are going up next week. So if you guys do want to lock in the lower rate and get 50% off your first month, use code September. I'll throw the link in the live chat here for you guys too. ASTS, 450%. Great work. Great work, Romeo. I mean, you guys see it in the live chat every single day. It's like, it's not that hard to see. Like, Meme Hub, I'm not buying anything right now. I don't buy stuff really when the market's at the highs like this. But yeah, keep smacking that like button on the way in, guys. Again, I remember, also, like, guys, I'm the only person that you guys know on social media ever that's ever been demonetized for talking about and showing with proof how many 10x trades that they've handed out to their group. I'm the only one. Thank you for the breakdown. Same one and everything's in WAP, yeah. Was Rig a Dave call? Yeah, Rig was a Dave call. Just joined, 43 quick. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Let's see. It's a very slow day in the market here, guys. I don't think we're going to be doing anything. We're just going to be waiting for those good setups to form. We're going to execute them, call it a day, and be done, you know? Keep it simple, guys. Everybody loves to be so active in the market. And, like, most of the time, the smartest decision in the market is to do nothing. Which today is kind of what we're doing. We're just cutting some stuff. Docky, that's still looking good. I feel like I'm getting sick. It's annoying. I'm like tired. What do I think about Blink? You want to buy a stock that's up 70% in 2 weeks? Is that what you want to do? You had a setup in here. If you didn't long it at 144 for a trade, I wouldn't be touching it. I probably wouldn't be going near that. Again, it's like everybody loves to chase stocks that are already moving. I just give them to you before they explode. That's why I'm able to hand out so many 10x trades to everybody, because we're catching the entire move. CCL, let's take a look. That actually looks, that's earnings too close. T-Doc? No, I don't want that. Too close to the 200. HYLN? That's a good move. 257 is what I would look for there. If that continues. I mean, you could get this too, 250. 250 is probably the best area on that thing. Lockheed going back up? No, I'm not. You guys don't listen, dude. Meme Hub, you don't listen ever, I don't think. Like, dude. What are you doing, dude? Oh, I'm out of Lockheed. I don't really like it anymore. It's below the day low. I've already outlined the TPs for everybody. It's in the pre-market plan, dude. It's in the pre-market plan. You want the TPs? Go to the pre-market plan. It's right there for you. Listen, guys. Everything's right in front of you. I said I'm cutting it at the day low. I'm done. I made 25% on it, which is negligible. I'm not even considering it anymore. If you're still somehow in it, the profit targets are in the pre-market plan. APLD, 132%. There you go. I mean, the ASTS one. I mean, think about what we've had this week so far, guys. What was it? Apple yesterday for, I think those were what, 1,200%, 1,300%. ASTS, 426%. You're done. You're done for the week, guys. You don't have to do anything else. Nothing. EQIX, let's see. That looks good. It's just a little close to this 200. ASTS still running, is it? Great work, guys. I mean, look at this. This is, how many more of these are you gonna miss? Seriously. I'm just gonna keep doing it. Like, we've had 20 in the last 2 months. You think this is gonna stop? You think this is gonna stop for LTMP? No. Absolutely not. Alright, let's see. T-Doc? Let's see. I don't really like it, I don't think. Weekly? No, no, this is not. No, just no. Like, there's nothing really there for you. APLD. Oh yeah, Daily Taylor. Those I bet are looking phenomenal. $473% ASTS. Damn, that's insane. I feel like you guys are used to like every day on these streams me calling out like 1,000%er. That's not this. None of this stuff is normal, guys. like you guys are getting spoiled seeing this stuff. GIS basing. Let's see. General Mills. Weekly looks like an interesting base. How's the daily? Daily look. Yeah, that looks good actually. TDG. I don't like bases off of gaps. I feel like you guys know that. I don't like bases off of big gap downs. What I brought up in the chat, had it go free today. Nice. Yeah, it probably a couple days ago off the daily break, but I don't like that weekly chart. Not the biggest fan of that. What's AI doing? Nothing. Just chilling. Jeez, ASTS is just a monster, man. I mean, that next target there is what, like 55.50, and then you've got 61. Yeah, it doesn't want to go anywhere today. Either does the market. The market's not moving anywhere today. Nothing's moving. It's just a slow day. There's nothing happening. UPS. Let me look. I haven't even looked at the chart. I don't really like this. It's okay. I just like. It's a little wonky. Just because you've got two bases right here, it's like, meh. Is it really gonna be this one? If they were gonna bid it up, think about it like this. This is why I'm a little bit cautious. Like Chipotle today, when I was like, I don't really want this. Even though it looks okay, it's like the market is trading near the highs like this, and like the bases can be good, but like the bases that we've seen that have been good are on like the fish hook sell-offs. It's not these like deep bases that are coming back up, because if the market starts to lose it here, like Chipotle might be one of the first ones to go. So I'd be careful with names like this. I'd be pretty careful. Ooh, we got a lot of slackers on the like button today. Uh-oh, we've got a 200 like goal. Let's see. Is there anything going on Twitter? No. What's Open doing? Is Open still drilling? It got bought up a little. Palantir. Let's see. Nothing there yet. How's SoFi look today? SoFi looks good. Nio. I think Nio's down off of something. Oh, no. Nio's fine. Hims. How's Hims look? Hims was breaking out nicely. Yeah, just kind of converging back into the 10 there. That could actually form a nice setup there for us. Powell speech. I wouldn't see why it would be. Again, like we talked about this like 4 times in the stream so far today. It's like, where is he speaking? Somebody find that out. Where's Powell speaking? Because it's probably at some conference. He's going to give some remarks about things that we've already heard before, and it's going to be a giant nothing burger. XOP, yeah, HTZ. That doesn't look bad, Yanni. I just would like to see it flatline a little bit more. Let's see, XOP. That looks interesting. That looks very interesting. I'm not taking that, though. I probably won't take much else today. Or anything else today. I haven't taken... Oh, I did grab a little Marvel for fun. Other than that, though, I'm like, We're going into PCE. We've been on just such an insane stretch. It's like, unless I see like a perfect setup in the market really wanting to do something good, it's like, I'll just sit here and cash for a little bit. PSTG. That looks interesting. Where's the 10? It's probably well extended. Above it. Maybe not, though. Marvel's good. That's okay. I mean, we'll see what happens with it. Maybe it'll be the next 1000%er. Or it'll be nothing. We'll see. Greater Providence Chamber of Commerce 2025 Economic Outlook Luncheon. Yeah, it's gonna be a nothing burger. He's literally gonna just reiterate everything that we've already heard. I don't think he's gonna say anything. GRAL making moves. You wouldn't buy it here. But yeah, great breakout there though at 40.39. That's a good one. Hal, welcome to the group, my man. Microsoft looks okay. It's just not great. Like, it's not perfect. So we'll see over the next couple days if it wants to look good, but it's not really on my radar right now. Market looks like they want to drop this down a little bit here. So we'll see. We'll see what they want to do. Slow day. Nothing's happening. Doing 30% on LBRT. Nice. Let's see. Reaper, you changed your name. That's funny. We're probably going to do a little shorter stream today, guys. There's not really much going on here. I'm tired. I don't feel great. $191% on Growl. Nice. Hey, where is Jamie? Is it moving with the market here? Yeah. I don't know. We'll see. This one I'm going to let go to the stop. If they want to rip this thing, go for it. But if not, whatever. I'm also bored. NXST on the weekly. I don't, probably not. I mean, I don't like this wick. It's going to look weird on the weekly. It looks okay. I'd probably stay away from this one. Not really the biggest fan of that. Boring. Oh, there you go. $1,000 on Palantir. That's nice. Daytime television. Guys, there's nothing going on here. I'm bored. I don't think they're really going to do much to this market today either. You got Powell later, but like again, like I said, that's probably going to be nothing. Oracle. See, now we could start getting the Oracle setup here. Look, going into next week, now we could start looking for the Oracle setup. Messing with the Netflix setup. Yeah, I didn't really like this to begin with. Like I'd probably leave this one alone. It was looking okay. It's not really consolidating around the 10. It's got a big range in here. It's like, not really one that's grabbing my attention. Where's gold today? Is gold still ripping? Gold is up a lot. There you go. That was an epic one. I mean, I told you guys about this one at what, like 317? The thing's at 347 here on gold. That's a big move. Nvidia? I don't know. That was like a weird one. I probably wouldn't. Just cut it. It never broke though. Oh, did it? What's the high? 184.48, 184.47. That broke a little. I mean, yeah, it just doesn't look like it wants to go. Robinhood glitching? I don't use Robinhood, so I don't know. Gold and silver moves? Yeah, they've been... I mean, gold has been nasty. Meta? No. No, not doing it for me. Not doing it for me. Bull. I mean, you got a nice little basin break here, but it's not, you might get a setup on this over like the next week or two, but not one that I'm really looking at right now. Again, guys, less trades, more profits. That's why everybody in LTMP is able to have so much success. I mean, how do you like, why do you guys think that everybody's having so much success when they join? Like when I'm able to call out 21 10x trades in like the last 2 months, it's like, there's a reason. It's like every single one that we're looking at there, guys, has the potential to go nuts. And if they don't look perfect, we don't really go near them. So again, remember, prices are going up for LTMP next week. If you guys want to lock in the lower rate, get 50% off your first month, use code September. If not, I'm just going to keep victory lapping on these streams. Every single... Where's ASTS right now? Ripping. Ripping, dude. That's insane. What are those up now? Probably 500% for you guys? Oh, no, it's not 1,000%. It could turn into the next one, though. There's been like 10x trades in like the last 2 weeks, 2.5 weeks, 3 weeks. What are you waiting for? Like, this is the best that you're ever going to get out of the market. Basin break is? I hate to say it this way, Adrian, but it's when it bases and then it breaks up. Like, look at what was a recent basin break that we saw. I mean, CVS is probably one of the best examples of it from way back when. This one sells off, bases, breaks to the upside. Some of the best ones are when it flips the EMA, consolidates, and then goes. Those are good. That's all it is. It's just the stock is basing, and then it breaks the upside. I don't like when they base after the gap, though. Nio. Just bounce off the 10, isn't it? Yeah, Nio looks fine. Not a setup, but it looks okay. It's just letting the market leak out here today. Let's slow, slow, slow. I'm bored. Alex, nice, man. I still got 4,000 shares at 455 on it. RZLV. Too wonky of a setup. It's holding the 10, which is good, but I'm not going to be going near that. And what's next for LTMP? Any plans or ideas that you have? Yes, we're going to do the exact same thing that we've been doing. Like, think about it like this, guys. If we have something that works really well in what we have here, why would we ever change it? Why would we ever change anything? We'll have the mastermind coming up for you guys at some point. Maybe I'll work on the outline for you guys today. But why would we, like, think about it. Oh, look, everybody's crushing it. We're calling out the best trades in the market all the time. Why would we change anything? You know? Like, why would we do that? If I were to start just like randomly changing stuff, it would be an admission that the stuff that I have isn't as good and it's the best thing that's out there in the market. Why would I change anything? It's not broken. Why try and fix it? ACHR. I think I've looked at it today. You got a nice break, yeah. You got a nice breakdown in here, but I wouldn't be looking at this here. Why fix what's not broken? Exactly. Exactly. Like, if we have the ability, guys, which we do, and you guys have seen this time and time again, for me to outline for you guys, literally the like I say it a lot, it's like, it's not the question of like which stocks have we hit that have made big moves. It's which ones have, like, which moves have we not hit, and I can't think of one in the last 2 months. Every single stock that's made a giant move, we've been all over, like the big ones that everybody talks about. Tesla, Nio, all the big ones. Washing machine. It's not the washing machine that's broken. It's they have to come back and, like, they might have to cut out the ceiling because some idiot decided to leave their sink on above me. It was leaking into my apartment. $9.31. It's a good break. Yeah, it's fine. That looks good. First target on that one, 10.50. 10 was second here. 10.58, 10.50, 10.60, something like that. Looks good. This is awesome, Hush Puppy. This is amazing. My account is up to right over $11,000 from $5,000 since the 22nd of July, where he gave the free D-Nut trade. Hush Puppy, congratulations, man. That's awesome. I mean, I'll throw the link in the live chat here for LTMP again. I don't know how many more of these that you guys are going to sit on the sidelines and miss, but it's probably going to be a lot of them if you decide to wait until the prices go up next week. But let's see. I mean, it's 11:15, guys. There's nothing happening in the market today. I don't feel so good. I'm going to go get some rest, I think. So, folks, we're going to wrap it up here for today. I'll be in the Discord with you guys. But yeah, make sure you guys hop in before it's too late. And don't miss that opportunity, man. I mean, I show you guys the best results that anybody has ever showcased in the trading space in the history that people have been doing this for. So, like, again, like, it's just, nobody's calling out the magnitude of gains that we've done over here. So, folks, I will see you guys in the group. Have a great rest of your day. I'll be around in the Discord with you guys. But other than that, team, I will see you guys later. Peace.